Yuqing Wright Pneumatic Manufacturer was founded on April 2003, which is widely known as RIH brand. After 20 years of development, it has become a famous factory in the pneumatic field. It have more than 3,200 square meters area, have 20 CNC lathers, and a large machining centers. We have CE and SGS certification. We are 15 years old. Alibaba Gold members never have any bad review. Many products obtain national patents. Our products cover FRL, cylinders, solenoid valve PU hoses, and fittings. We also offer OEM services. In the last 20 years, we have been through a lot of things, but all of it makes us stronger. We insist honest to all our customers, service them with heart, insist quality first. Let our quality better and better. Now we are selling in more than 100 countries and have agents in 48 countries. We always give big supporting to our clients. Thank you for all my clients. It is you let Wright Pneumatic Company better and better. Our company name, Wright Pneumatic, it comes from Durocher's famous sentence, do the right things, do the things right. We hope do the right thing for the world and service for the world. We are right person, also hope you can to be our members. This must be 100% right decision. RIH welcome you.